Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to learn how to do a really easy split screen. It's very simple, it'll take you a second, so let's get into it. First, you want to import your clips that you want to use for your split screen. Next, select the bottom clip and go to the transform tool, and then you can resize and position it to fit one half of the screen. You can also use the crop tool if you want to crop any part of your video, if that makes it easier to work with. Repeat this process for the top clip, resizing and positioning it to fit the other half of the screen. If you want to add a border between your clips, just go to the generators tab, find the solids category, and drag the custom generator onto your timeline. And you can resize and shape that to act as a border by using that crop tool again, and then just trimming it down to be really thin and position it between your clips. You can also adjust the crop in the right-hand inspector here, and there you go. You have an easy aesthetic split screen. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I also make so many videos on Final Cut Pro tutorials. I'll list the playlist below. I make videos every 2 weeks, so you should subscribe, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Bye!